We're doing it. You know exactly what I mean. We're doing it. Oh, shoot. It was supposed to be day 5. Day 5, part 2. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Upside, upside down, smiley. There. Advent of Code, day 5, part 2. That's what I meant. Now I need to change it in LinkedIn because I suck. All right, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold your horses. Do not move. I made a mistake. Edit, edit post, edit post. It was supposed to be part 2 with DataWeave. Hey, Felix. Okay, there you go. And am I also on Twitch? Am I also on Twitch with the right title? Did it change the title? Yes, it did. Beautiful. All right, let's do this thing. Share my screen, share my screen, share my screen. There you go. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. I'm sure we can. I trust in our capacity. We already know Felix can do it. Let's prove that I can. So, this is where we were at today morning, my morning. I did the first part, into part 2, and this was the whole awful code that I did. We ended up with a bunch of lazy evaluation variables, but there's life. Actually, I could have just not done the lazy thing. If I could have just done, like, if the next one is going to be empty, then just stop. But I like to complicate my life. So anyway, as you watch the crane operator rearrange the crates, you notice the process isn't following your prediction. Of course, why would it? Some mud was covering the grinding on the side of the crane, and you quickly wipe it away. I don't like where this is going. The crane isn't a crate mover 9000. It's a crate mover 9001. Oh no, the crate mover 1001 is notable for many new and exciting features. Is it? Air conditioning, leather seats, an extra cup holder, very important, and the ability to pick up and move multiple crates at once. I don't like where this is going. Again, considering the example above, the crate begin in the same configuration. Moving a single crate from stack 2 to stack 1 behaves the same as before. Cool. However, the action of moving 3 crates from stack 1 to stack 3 means that those 3 moved crates stay in the same order, resulting in this new configuration. I don't think that's too hard in my code though. Next, as both crates are moved from stack 2 to stack 1, they retain their order as well. Finally, a single crate is still moved from stack 1 to stack 2, but now it's crate C that gets moved. Wait, what? From stack 1 to stack 2, but now it's crate C. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. In this example, the crate mover 9001 has put the crates in a totally different order. Okay. Well, thank you for nothing. Um, so this was the thing. This is how they started. And then we had from stack 2 to stack 1. From stack 2. to stack 1. It's not that hard in my opinion. Seems good. Yeah, I think so. But I'm still gonna just do this. From stack 2 to stack 1. How was the thing? Where is it? This. Ah. Yeah, I think I have just one line that would be different. But let's see. Okay. So this is the line, and it was move 1 from 2 to 1. Move 1 from 2 to 1. Oh, are they the same instructions than before? I thought they were different. Then move 3 from 1 to 3. Move 3 from 1 to 3. Yeah. Then 2 from 2 to 1. 2 from 2 to 1. And 1 from 1 to 2. 1 from 1 to 2. Okay, yeah. So it's the same as before. And we ended up with CMZ before. And now we end up with MCD, right? It was CMZ. Now we have MCD. Just like MuleSoft certified developer. Okay. So now the thing is here, not in the get stuff, right? No, in the move crates to take here. I think here, right? Yeah, I think this is where it was reversing. Oh, stop doing that. MCD. Yeah, that was the only difference. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna put this as part 1, and then let's remove that, copy, and then part 2, and then just the same thing. Oh my god, just removing this MCD. Beautiful. So now if we take the whole thing again, we end up with this thing, copy, oh, and paste, answer, submit. Yay! Well, that was easy. It only took me 8 minutes to do. Beautiful. I think it's kind of weird that there is no reverse for arrays, only -1 to 0. So if you don't know that, syntax reversing can be quite hard. Yeah, because I was saying that strings does have a reverse. Where are you? Here. There is a reverse here. So like it will reverse a full string. But it's funny that there's no such thing for the arrays, which in theory works the same. Like if I do hello and then I do -1 to 0, it reverses it. So it should be the same for the arrays. I'm gonna add that as a suggestion in our DataWeave channel workspace, DataWeave workspace. Where is it? Yeah, I'm gonna add it in a bit because it would make sense. Like if you have a reverse for the strings, why not have a reverse for the arrays if it's the same thing? Awesome. Thank you so much, Felix, for joining me. We did it. We did it. I'm going to read the first thing about the next day to see how hard is it. I know you said day 7 would be awful. So I'm bracing for that. But let's see day 6 quickly. Mhm, mhm. Communication system. Day 7 is just very hard with parsing, in my opinion. I guess. I haven't seen it, but I trust you. However, because he's heard you have significant experience dealing with signal based systems. Oh, these are links. I didn't know that. Interesting. And they link to other years. Oh, awesome. He convinced the other elves that it would be okay to give you their one malfunctioning device. But of course, surely you'll have no problem fixing it. Well, who says that? As if inspired by comedic timing, the device emits a few colorful sparks. To be able to communicate with the elves, the device needs to lock onto their signal. The signal is a series of seemingly random characters that the device receives one at a time. To fix the communication system, you need to add a subroutine to the device that detects a start of packet marker. What even is that in data stream? Oh, sequence of four characters that are all different. Okay. The device will send your subroutine a data stream buffer, your puzzle input, so like this one. Your subroutine needs to identify the first position where the four most recently received characters were all different. The first position where the four most recently received characters were all different. Specifically, it needs to report the number of characters from the beginning of the buffer to the end of the first such four character marker. Okay, so I have this thing. After this, the first three characters, there haven't been. Okay, because then the J is repeated. And then if I take this, the Q is repeated. And then if I take this, these are not repeated. So, oh, no. Making the most recent four characters M, J, Q, J, because J is repeated. Oh, yeah, this isn't a marker. This is JPQM. Yes, the one that I selected, which are different. In this case, your subroutine should report the value 7 because the first start of packet marker is complete after 7 characters have been processed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. Here are a few more examples. How many characters need to be processed? Well, that's not too hard, actually. I think. I think I've said that a lot of times before. Well, let's try this. Let's try this. Maybe I can make this. Oh wait, let me just copy this thing before I remove all of this. So this was the input. Here day. No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, day 5. Ah, yes, move it. Okay, day 5, new folder, inputs, new file, payload.txt, and then there's this thing, and then new file, transform.dwl, and I have this monster. Okay, cool. So I have day 5 saved. I can move on to the other thing. So this thing, and I can already close this. Yeah. So I have this thing here, and then I can remove everything from here because I don't need any of this. Load. Oh, save. Okay. I have this thing, and then I have to go through the characters. So I need 4 characters, and then to make sure that it's not repeated. So, for example, if I take 0 to 4, let's say, no, 3, 0 to 3, and then I have to check that all of these characters are not repeated. So can I do a distinct by here? Distinct by, probably not. I'm gonna leave this here so I don't forget. Distinct by, distinct by, distinct by. Arrays object. No, I cannot use this with strings. I wonder if there's something else in the strings module. Uh, collapse count characters by, count matches. What about count matches? What is this? No. Oh, I can do some characters, perhaps? Or no? Mm, lines, map string. What is map string? It's like a map, I guess. Oh, maybe I can do that. Ordinalize, prepend if missing. Prepend if missing. What is that? Oh, cool. Remove, repeat. What is? Oh no, it's just to do the thing. Right pad. Where is right pad? Oh, the spaces. Singularize some character. Substring. Underscore on grep with max size words. Grep if missing. And what is grep? Oh, just to put. Okay, no. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna do some character. Or no, what was the only one? The other one that I said? It was map. I said map, right? Map, string. You have to import it. Import what? I just saw your comments. Maybe it was something that I did already. Oh, the distinct by. No, the distinct byte is on core, right? Yeah, it's on the core, so I should not import it. Yeah. No, it's not. It's just not used with strings. It's only used for arrays, which should be used. I mean, technically, a string is an array of characters, but who am I to say? Let's do map string then. Map string, so I don't have to transform this whole thing into um, an array. So map string, and then I should end up with the characters, right? Right, right. Oh, how do you work? Oh, wait, what? Uh, the first thing is a character and then the index. Well, it should work. What? This should work. Oh, now I have to import it. um, where is it? Quick fix, import. There. Yes. Thank you, Felix. Okay. So what was I going to do? Oh, map string. Um, so I want to do. Wait. Let me just do a var x. I am not naming my variables now. I'm just not. So if I say, for example, map string x some character, was it like that? Some character? some character. Um, map, yes, x some character equals this. No. Okay. I think I'm messing up the thing. So let me do this map string xc. I am not taking the time to name anything. And then I'm doing x for the whole thing, some character, and then this equals xc. No. Well, I was trying to be civil about it, but I guess I'm just gonna do map. True, 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 true. Okay. I usually import asterisks from both arrays and strings for the advent of code thing, so I don't have to deal with imports all the time. Yeah, you're right. I don't know. I guess it's just I do this all the time, so that's what I'm trying to keep doing, I guess. It's not like I'm doing best practices because I'm clearly not, but I don't know. Hmm. Okay. I was trying to be sophisticated here, but that's obviously not gonna work. So let's just do this and then split by and then make this an array. And then let's just do a map. Basically, what I did like 2 days ago, that I did a bunch of maps. No, why do you keep doing that? And then I have the x, and then what is this? The line. Yeah, I also just used split by. It's just easier, to be honest. Okay, so I want to see if something contains something. Remember what is the order for that? Is it array and then items and then the element to find? So first the items x contains this. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. As long as I get one true, then it should be done. So, trying to think. So, if I do x some characters, some character, and then no, x contains this some character. True. Okay. Yes, I did it. I'm smart. Take that, Felix. I'm kidding. Okay. Sweet. We got that. So it does contain it. So now what? Now I have to continue from the fourth, right? If this is done, then I have to continue from the fourth. From the fourth. Yeah, is after the fourth character is received. Make the most recent 4 characters this because J is repeated. This is in a marker. That will be hard though. I can just go one by one. That would be easier for me, at least. And I'm gonna do tail recursive because that's who I am. fun, find thing, um, find thing, and then what do I want here? String, I guess, and then equals to. So if I return string, it will be the whole thing. Oh, this is payload. Payload. Tail recursive really fits this problem. Yay. Awesome. I'm good at that. Okay, so there was a thing, and then I need to do this here. 0 to 3, like this. And now, okay, then the sum character contains thing. And then string instead of x, true. And then if this is true, then I have to continue. So this is going to be a var, result equals blah, blah, blah. Let's put this on another line. So if, oops. Oh, I know, repeated. If repeated, then I have to go through it again. So find thing, and then I'm gonna wait. Let's take out the auto preview for now. And I'm gonna send the string, yes, string 1 to -1. Yes. Am I doing just recursive, or is this tail recursive? No, this is normal. This is tail recursive, right? Anyway, if it works, it works. Else repeated. Oh no, string this thing. Okay, let's rename this to evaluate. Var to evaluate this thing. Okay. It's still recursive because the recursion is the last step that is done. Okay, cool. Oh, by the way, the versions that I wrote on GitHub are really cleaned up. I don't write such code of my mind. Okay, that makes me feel better. Thank you. Okay, if repeated, find thing, else to evaluate. Okay. Null. Sweet. Okay, I did something wrong here. Oh, wait. If repeat, I need another if else. Else, if null, I guess. Yeah, else if null, I'm just gonna return a -1 for now. Else to evaluate. Oh, yeah, I think. No. Oh, sorry. Else if to evaluate equals null. Yeah. Well, I'm getting -1. That's not. Let's just debug this thing. Let's see what I did. I haven't used my brain this much in weeks. Okay, to evaluate, we have this, and then, oh no, I didn't want that. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's gonna go one by one. Okay, I'm gonna put another bullet here. Just go ahead. So the whole string is this, to evaluate is this, repeated is true. If repeated, then it will go again. Yes. So now I got cut down the other one, and then if repeated, so this is repeated, then it should just go again. And now Q, yeah. And then this is going to be repeated again because there's a Q. Now we go back, and now we have JPQM. Oh, this should be false. Oh, it's going. Okay. So this, oh, this is true. Oh, what? Okay, I did something wrong. Repeated shouldn't be true, should be false. Hmm. Okay, so I have this thing, some character. Oh, is it because I'm just repeating everything else again? Ah, this should be to evaluate. But then maybe it will be repeated. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so this thing to evaluate contains that is true. Next is also true. That is also true. And then the next one should be false, but I feel that it's going to be true. Of course, it's true. Okay, so I'm doing to evaluate contains this. And what is this? This is all the characters. Yeah. Yeah, because I think I'm just comparing the same. Yeah, I think I'm just comparing the same string against itself. Damn it. And here I was thinking that I was being sophisticated. Okay. You're comparing to evaluate with to evaluate. Yeah, I am. I feel like there is an easier way to do it. Hmm. Let's Google string repeated character. Oh, wait, I can do this thing by now. Because I didn't want to do it, but I can. So hold on. Um, this is a string. Oh, and then split by, and then this. So this will become an array of string. So then to evaluate this thing by this, and then let's see what this is doing. Okay. So if this size is less than, yeah, the size of this thing is less than 4, should be 4, true. Oh, wait. Yeah, so if this is less than 4, then this is repeated. Okay. Will that work though? So if repeated should be the same, else if to evaluate equals null. Okay, got it. JPQM. And then what I want to do is to make this a string again. So join by. Wait. Nope. I'm gonna put it here. Then, or can I just do join by here? Ah, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, we got that JPQM. In this case, oh, and I need to get the index. I can just use find for that, right? Find will return the index, or index of, yeah. Oh, no, it is for string. Yeah. Okay. So then after this, let's do index of, and then index of array string. Okay, array and -1. No, it should be payload. What am I doing? What is -1? It should be the last character. M. Yeah. What? Payload. What are you telling me right now? Payload and then this. Like, what? Oh, is there a. Oh. Oh. Okay. So I need to. Yes. It's payload starting with an M. Yes. So, okay. I need to keep the index as well. Because otherwise I'm gonna. Or I can just find the whole string, I guess. Okay. What happens if I find the whole string? It will give me 3, which is the first one. So I just need to do +4. Okay, that works. So we end up with 7. And let's see other examples to see if that works. So this should be 5. Yeah. This should be 6. Yes. This is 10. Yes. And this is 11. Sweet. Got it. So get my puzzle input. Oh my god. Okay. These people are super intense. Okay. Got this. Let's put it, submit. Yay! Okay, let's do part two now. I still have time. Okay, is correctly, but it isn't working. Of course it's not. Why would it? Hmm. Of course. So now it's 14 instead of 4. Let's try this thing. Shouldn't be that hard. You know what? I'm gonna create a variable to see how many. What is it? Packets? Start of packet marker. Uh, Marker. Let's just say marker. Mark number of markers. So in this one was 4. So we do here 0, 2, number of markers minus 1. And then here we do number of markers. Okay, so now instead of 4, it's going to be 14. It should work. Let's put this under, or actually just like this. Part 1. Part 1 equals 4. Now let's do 14. Save. So this one was, 19. Damn it. Okay. Thought it was going to be that straightforward, but it's not. Okay, so what is different? Oh, I'm missing here another one. Here. Number of markers. There. 19. Yes. Okay. Now it's working. 23. This should be 23. Yes. Okay, yeah, it was that straightforward. Oh, this is cool. I made it. Then again, 23. Then 29. Whoops. 29. This is working. Awesome. 26. Beautiful. So again, let's take the whole thing. These people are so intense. Who does this? Okay, 26, 65. Submit. Yay! Okay, now I finally get to see what is the whole deal with day 7. I'm scared. Let me just add day 6. And folder, inputs, new file, payload.txt, and then this whole thing. And new file transform.dwl here. Okay. I think this is the easiest one that I've done so far. Oh my god, all of the other ones are so hard. Let's see what you all did. Clayton. Day 6. Oh, Clayton didn't even do day 7. Okay, day 6, A. Okay. Is unique. Yeah, I also did array. Okay. Mhm. I feels like he did a lot of the same things that I did. There's also reduce here, but he's creating an object instead. All right. I cannot think in reduce. This is just too much for me. But I'm glad that this works for him. Awesome. This also looks cool. 20 lines. What? I did 16. Am I finally having the most sophisticated code? And then let's see, day 6B. Maybe day 7 was just not my day and you can easily do it. Hopefully. Hopefully. Um, yeah, it's basically the same thing, just changing it for 14. Okay, now let's see. Ryan. He maybe did it on Go. Yeah, day 6 in Go the hard way. Yeah, there's not day 6 in DataWeave. Oh well. And Felix. Day 6. 18. How many did I do? 16. Yay! I finally have the smallest one. Oh, you use the tail rec. Nice. And you use the drop. You're so fancy. Characters, length, counter, and then sub character 02. Oh, the length. So you supply it. Okay, that's smart. I just did a global variable. Um, if I normally don't follow the functional programming principles, like to keep pure functions and stuff like that, I can't. I try. I really try. This is a pure function. I honestly swear to God that I try, but I can't. And then if sub this thing by, also this thing by, yeah, counter, else, find, and then it goes again. Okay. I wonder if I still need this other else if. Maybe it was just because I was messing it up. Yeah, I don't even need it. Okay. Right? Yeah, I don't need it. It's fine like this. You also did use drop, but with 1 to -1. Yeah, but it looks more sophisticated if you use the drop. All right. All right. This one was good. Okay. Finally, one that I think it's kind of easy. This one was kind of easy. Let's just read day 7. I don't think I have any more time, but let's just read it. Whew. Hmm. How big do the animals get out here anyway? That's not a good question. Um, you run a system update. Please, pretty please, with sugar on top. Oh no. Oh no. A tree of files, plain data, and directories. Oh, this sucks. Yes, exactly. The file system consists of a tree of files, plain data, and directories, which can contain other directories of files. Yes, why wouldn't it? The outermost directory is called, yeah. You can navigate around the file system, moving into or out of directories and listing the contents of the directory you're currently in. Within the terminal output, lines that begin with are commands you executed. Yeah, yeah. Change directory. Yes, yes. I know what that is. I know what this is. I know what this is. Okay. I know what this is. 123 ABC means that the current directory, yeah, the two files. Okay. Given the commands and output in the example above, you can determine that the file system. Oh my god. No way. Here there are four directories. Oh, this sucks. Since the disk is full, your first step should. Oh, and it doesn't end there. Oh, well, of course not. Hmm. Total size of each directory. Seriously? The total sizes of the directories above. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To begin, find all of the directories with a total size of at most, then calculate the sum of their total sizes. Ah, oh my god. Okay, we're not gonna do that today. But yeah, that looks hard. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna end up doing like a manual thing. My first attempt timed out in the playground. That sucks. Did you try in in Visual Studio Code though? You did also time out there. Well, it doesn't really time out, I guess, but it stops working. It's just like freezes. Oh, this sucks. Can I just count like the files like this without caring where they are? Maybe. I don't know. No, I didn't try it there, but I made it more efficient. Cool. And I'm guessing the puzzle input is a whole. Yeah, of course it is. Oh no. How many lines are you? Let's see. 1,102. Why wouldn't you? Well, we're not gonna do that today, but yeah, I can see how that sucks. Did you all do it though? Felix. I'm not gonna look at it. I just want to see. Well, you have here the code, but I don't know if you finished it. And Ryan, did Ryan do it in DataWeave? I'm guessing not. In Go. Yeah. Oh, you did it. Okay. Sweet. Well, that is a struggle for another day. For now, I always forget how to take this off. There. Well, for now, there's that. I have done days 1 to 6, and then I'm gonna have fun with that one. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but if not, next week, I guess. I want to do this in January because, again, in February, we're gonna have the Anypoint Code Builder thing. So I will probably not come back to DataWeave a lot, and I will have to do Anypoint Code Builder all February. So awesome. I also want to do Battlesnake. Like, I haven't done Battlesnake. Felix, have you done Battlesnake? I'm sure you would have a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna send it to you after the stream so you have it. Because, yeah, let me share my screen. Because Manic created this thing, I don't know if you saw, which is the. I sent it. Which is like the starter mule thing, so you don't start from scratch and then you can just focus on doing this. And then the battle snake thing is here. Playbattlesnake.com. So yeah, you can try that out. That is super fun. And I think Manic and Ryan were the ones that were doing this the most. So you can try it out and see how that works for you. It's super cool. I haven't done anything at all. I don't even know if I have a repo. I think I don't. But yeah, I just did the basic thing and made it work for the basic, like the very, very basic stuff, which is don't eat yourself. But I haven't done the don't hit walls, don't hit yourself, or don't collide with others, much less find food. But yeah, that one is a good one. I want to come back to that and try it out again, because we also get a lot of views in Twitch when we did the barrel snake category. So that's cool. But yeah, try it out. See what you come up with, and then we can compare with Manix and Ryan's. I think. Oh, I think you can also make the snakes fight against each other. That's what we did in the previous stream. I can also send you the stream we did there, so you can kind of see what they were doing. Um, and then it will be cool to kind of get together again and fight the snakes to see which one wins. I think Manic was winning, or was it Ryan? I don't remember, but it was cool. Anyway, that's it for this stream, and I will come back eventually. I don't know if tomorrow, but if not, next week. Cool. Thank you so much. And for anyone that is watching the um, video just now, if you're not watching on Twitch, remember to go to twitch.tv/devalexmartinez, and you can follow me there to see when I come online and stuff like that. Awesome. Well, thank you, Felix, for being here with me again. This is fun. And see you later. Bye bye.